SMØRREBRØD. A main dish from Denmark. Serves 4. You will need 34 ingredients. Step 1. Line 2 large wooden serving boards or 2 trays with 4 lettuce leaves each. Step 2. On each board, or tray, decoratively arrange 12 egg quarters, 6 shrimp, 1½ ounces each salmon, and herring, or whitefish, 1 ounce each ham, roast beef, and cheeses. Step 3. Each of the tomatoes and
Serve
fruits,
bread slices and
1/4 cup bread and napkin-lined basket, 12
12
olives, and 12 pickle spears. Spoon mayonnaise, mustard, horseradish, and cocktail sauce into individual serving dishes and set out near serving boards. Culture, countries, travel.